A lot of individuals dedicate years to learning English, yet they still lack the confidence to actually talk. The fascinating thing is, for a lot of students, the issue isn't that they aren't trying hard enough, it's that their practice methods are flawed. Picture attempting to construct a house by gathering single bricks without understanding how they connect. You could possess thousands of bricks, but putting the house together would remain a slow and tough process. Today, I'd like to share a more intelligent method that can help your English sound much more natural, boost your memory, and allow you to converse more confidently. This simplified concept has assisted numerous students in achieving fluency, and once you grasp it, your approach to studying vocabulary will likely change forever. So, let's get started. The primary rule is, stop learning isolated words and start learning entire phrases. It seems extremely basic, but this minor adjustment can totally revolutionize your English learning journey. Before moving forward, let's clarify what a phrase really means. A phrase is basically a collection of words that naturally fit together. It doesn't need to be a full sentence, rather it's a blend of terms that native speakers frequently use in daily chats. For instance, rather than trying to learn the single word tired, learn the whole expression, I'm feeling tired. Instead of trying to remember the word busy, study I've been really busy today. Instead of focusing on the word forgot, memorize I forgot my keys. See what's going on here? You aren't merely memorizing vocabulary terms anymore. You are mastering how real humans conversate. Consider how the majority of students approach English. They open their textbooks and stare at lengthy lists of vocabulary. Each English term has its native translation right next to it. They review this list repeatedly, praying they will retain all of it. Occasionally, they might even cram 50 or 100 words right before a test. They might pass that exam, but just a couple of weeks down the line, a huge portion of those words will have vanished from their minds. Why does this happen? Because our minds struggle to retain disconnected facts. We find it much easier to recall experiences, contexts, feelings, and whole concepts. Thank you greatly for tuning in. If this lesson was beneficial to you, continue your daily practice, remain curious, and remember that true fluency isn't built by stacking single words, it's built by connecting meaningful phrases.